Let's learn how to divide the number 188 by 2 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 2, so we will consider the number 18. We know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2, so we will bring down this adjacent 8 here. Look that this is the number 8. So remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 188 divided by 2 is equal to 94. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.